In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit drone photos with Luminar Neo. We'll take a clean, methodical approach so you get dramatic results quickly, using a mix of Luminar Neo's AI features and classic controls without overdoing it. Start by getting your foundation right. Import your drone photo, ideally a RAW file for maximum flexibility, and open the Edit workspace. Begin with the Enhance AI tool, sometimes labeled Accent AI. This single slider analyzes your image and balances exposure, contrast, color, and tone. Nudge it up until the scene looks naturally improved, but don't max it out. Leaving headroom makes later refinements easier and keeps the image from looking processed. Use the before and after view to confirm you're improving the global look rather than pushing it too far. Next, fine-tune exposure and tone. Drone images often include bright skies with darker ground, so pay special attention to highlights and shadows. Bring exposure to a balanced place, then pull down highlights to preserve cloud texture and lift shadows just enough to reveal detail without making things look flat. Add a touch of contrast to restore depth across wide landscapes. If the scene looks washed out or distant, a small amount of dehaze in the landscape or essentials tools can cut through atmospheric haze. Apply it gradually to avoid color shifts. Now, enhance the sky and colors. Sky Enhancer AI intelligently boosts sky detail and saturation without affecting the ground, which is especially helpful for midday captures. If the original sky is lifeless, consider sky replacement using Sky AI. Choose a sky that fits the mood of your scene and keep it believable by matching the overall warmth and brightness of the rest of the image. For color work, open HSL or color tools to selectively boost blues and greens, great for oceans, lakes, and forests. Be subtle so water and foliage stay natural, not neon. Leverage landscape-focused tools to add atmosphere and depth. The golden hour slider warms tones and mimics late afternoon glow, perfect for enhancing sunlit scenes. Atmosphere AI can introduce gentle mist or depth to valleys and distant hills. It's especially effective for sunrise or moody weather. Finish this section with a soft vignette to guide attention toward the center. Keep it subtle and adjust feathering so the transition is smooth. Clean up distractions using Erase or Generase. Remove sensor spots, power lines, or stray objects with small, precise strokes, zooming in to maintain clean edges. Finally, refine with local adjustments. Use gradient masks to darken a bright sky or lift a shadowed foreground independently, and brush or color masks to target specific hues like tree canopies or water. Feather your masks and build adjustments slowly for a polished, professional finish.